Likewise, it has also given us execution timelines for month 1 to 3, 4 to 6, and 7 to 12. 1 year execution plan has also been given by AI. You know, having a business idea is fantastic, but how do you execute it? That's where most people get stuck. In fact, study shows that over 90% of startup ideas will never move further than idea stage, mainly because they get stuck in planning, market research, and execution. Welcome to day 163 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Today, we are exploring Frederick AI, an AI tool that acts like a personal strategist, which will make you go from I have an idea to I am ready to launch stage, step by step. So let's see how it all works. So to begin, go to frederick.ai, click on sign up, and my favorite option is to go with Google. Select the account and click on continue, and you are all set. You can go to the input box and type out your idea. For example, this is the prompt that I am going to give: an app that helps freelancers find remote work faster through AI-based skill matching. Okay, and I'll click on create. Just before we go there, you can see that they have also given some samples which you can try out just to see how the platform works. So I'll click on create, and it'll ask you what shall we call this as, right? So remote labs. Let's call it as remote labs. Okay. And we can also add something more about this startup or this idea. We will leave it as is, and this will always be public by default. But if you want it to be private, then you have to be in the paid plan. Click on next, and you get 4 options to choose from: Leo, Frederick, Ev, or Noah, right? And each of these are meant for different purposes. You can see here, for business strategy, you can ask Frederick, develop a comprehensive business strategy for my company. Or if you want to generate SEO articles, then you can ask Ev, create a new article that resonates with my target audience. If you want market research, then you can ask Noah, research and analyze market trends in my industry. Like this, you can ask for different purposes. As you can see here, Leo is for website and design, Frederick is business strategy lead, Ev is content and SEO, whereas Noah is meant for research, right? You can ask anything here. Let me just go with business strategy. Okay, the entire prompt will come here, and I'll click on enter. So it is asking us for the next steps, which is gather company information, analyze market position, draft business strategy. Let's go with analyze market position, right? So it will add the prompt for us accordingly, and I will enter. Okay, now because it does not have any details of our company, it says I currently don't have any information about your company or its market position. Could you share some details about your business, such as your industry, target audience, competitors, and any challenges you are facing? This will help me evaluate your market position and identify opportunities and challenges effectively. So let's go with develop business strategy. Create a comprehensive strategy tailored to the company's objective and market conditions. So vision is empower freelancers to efficiently find remote job opportunities that align with their skills and preferences, enabling them to thrive in the gig economy. Likewise, it has created a mission. It has also created strategic objectives, okay, and it has created core strategies, okay, like product development, competitive positioning, revenue model optimization, marketing and user acquisition, and operational excellence. Not just that, it has got us some opportunities, which is market growth, technological advancements, and untapped niches. It has also given us what are some of the challenges that we may face, like high competition, user acquisition costs, and trust building. Key metrics to keep in mind: user growth, matching accuracy, revenue, and user engagement. Likewise, it has also given us execution timelines for month 1 to 3, 4 to 6, and 7 to 12. 1 year execution plan has also been given by AI. Now you can go further and refine strategic objectives or develop execution timelines or identify key partnerships. So your entire strategy of how you want to get from idea stage to launch stage can be done using this AI platform. And that's it. Sometimes all you need is a push to stop overthinking and start moving. No more wasting time, no more jumping around. Just head over to Frederick AI, put your idea, and see where it takes you along. Because sometimes hard work doesn't give you the desired results. You also have to work smart. So, do give it a try, and if you find it helpful or interesting, share it with that one friend who has been stuck with one idea for months and not moving forward. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.